Hey YouTube, here with an update on the Tisas Night Stalker 45 ACP. I had a video um, about how they returned the gun back with the loose handle and how dirty it was. It was sent to SDS Imports, which is Tisas, for the failure to feed, and so I received it, said it's all running good. Was even told they had it and shot hollow points out of it, and not an issue out of it. And they were using their self Blazer 230 grain full metal jackets. And as you can see, at the range, we're using quantity defense loads, hollow points, which I was told it was going to be good to shoot them, that wouldn't have an issue at all feeding this ammunition. And before even shooting, I had a major issue even getting it in to battery. It just, something just wasn't right. And finally got in the battery, shot it a few times, and had a failure to feed. And so I kind of ruled out the hollow points as number one story, I was told, by SDS Imports when they sent it back. And then we went to Blazer 230 grain full metal jackets, which this is what I was told that they use to test fire these once they fix Tisas firearms. So here we are shooting those. Went through about 6-7 rounds and failure. Just, and I wanted to make sure it wasn't nothing I was doing. So I just, went ahead and cleared it out. Put a couple more rounds in the magazine. And, just went ahead and shot the rest. I guess it was 2 or 3 rounds there. 2 rounds. And so I wanted to make sure they were seeing that I am using 230 grain Blazer. And went ahead and shot another magazine just to see, maybe if something needed to be broke in. But as you can see here, after about 6 rounds, it was another failure. And it's kind of disappointing. The gun's been back already twice, so now it's going to have to go back the third time. So it's very frustrating. So after you saw the video clips at the range, it was a complete failure. Hollow points would not feed. Even had an issue with getting them into the battery prior to even shooting the gun. The Blazer 230 full metal jackets would not run through it. So it's complete failure. Everything's going to be sent back to SDS Imports and see what they have to say. Just kind of discouraging, kind of makes you a little ill, when they send you a gun back, say it's fixed, and here there's the truth, it's not fixed. So hope you like, and hope you subscribe to this channel and that you like this video. Trying to do more of these real reviews about products, and just like and subscribe, folks. It helped me out, and I can grow this channel. But I do want to mention we need to keep everybody that was in the path of the hurricane in our prayers. Some people are having it pretty rough, and if you have any local organizations that are supporting and asking for donations that are legit, please do. And keep all the linemen and utility workers in our prayers also. This is a big, difficult task they're taking on right now. It's a lot bigger than anybody thought it was going to be. So our prayers and thoughts go out to all these people. Like and subscribe, and hope you have a great one.